In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stremio on MetaQuest 3. To get started, turn on your MetaQuest 3 and make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi. A stable internet connection is important here because you'll need it both to install the app and to stream content smoothly once everything is set up. Next, open a web browser. You can do this directly on your MetaQuest 3, or if it's easier, you can use a browser on your computer or mobile device. Any of these options will work for finding the app and starting the installation process. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Stremio for MetaQuest. This should bring up the correct result pretty quickly. When you see the official MetaQuest store listing for Stremio, open it. Make sure you're selecting the official store page so you're installing the right app. On the app page, take a moment to review the details. Check the app name, the icon, the screenshots, and the compatibility information to confirm that it supports MetaQuest 3. This is a good habit anytime you install an app, especially if there are multiple search results or similar names. After that, click the Get button on the app page. If Meta asks you to sign in, go ahead and log into your Meta account to continue. Once you've done that, the app will be added to your Meta account library. Give it a moment to finish syncing, since this can take a little time depending on your connection. Now put your MetaQuest 3 back on and return to the headset. From there, open your app library. This is where you'll find the apps connected to your account, including newly added ones. Look through your installed apps and select Stremio to launch it. When Stremio opens for the first time, sign in to your Stremio account. This gives you access to your library, preferences, and supported content inside the app. Be sure to enter your login details carefully so everything loads correctly. Once you're signed in, you're ready to browse and play content. You can look through movies and TV shows, choose something you want to watch, and start streaming directly on your MetaQuest 3. For the best experience, make sure your headset stays connected to Wi-Fi and that you're using the app from your library whenever you want to come back to it. Thanks for watching.